Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a group on Snapchat 2022. First of all, you need to download Snapchat through Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone. Then, just go create your account, or if you do have it, just go log in and let's go straight to Snapchat. So, all you need to do now is just go to the chats by scrolling from left to right, like that. Or instead of scrolling, you can just press on this icon on the left of the main interface here. Then all you need to do now is just press at the blue icon down right the corner. Just click on it. Then all you need to do, just click on new group. Then just add whoever you want to add on it. Then go to the new group name and click on it. Then name your group. So that's it. All you need to do now is just click add chats with group and your group will be created. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.